Hello, everyone. I just would like to share my experience today regarding my GCash transaction. So, as you can see, this is my GCash account. Um, Disclaimer lang po, hindi po ako binayaran ng any Maya or GCash platform. Gusto ko lang pong ma-share para meron din po kayong matutunan sa experience ko today. Earlier, let's go to my transaction. If you can see with my transaction history around 7:51 a.m. I transferred, so it's successful transferred via Maya wallet, my Maya wallet amounting 7,580. So transfer ko siya using my GCash, and as of this moment it's already 3:16 p.m. and hindi pa rin siya nagre-reflect sa Maya account ko. So, syempre, kahit sabihin nating 7,580 lang yan, still, pera at pinaghirapan natin yan. Dapat nating malaman kung anong nangyari. So, the first thing I did is nung almost 2 hours nang hindi pa rin nag-a-appear, is pumunta ako sa profile ko and then health. So, chinek ko yung transaction muna kung talagang successfully siya. So, eto nga, successfully transferred around 7:51 a.m. And then after that, uh, naggawa ko ng ticket or report and sinabi ko yung pangyayari, and at the same time, nag-screenshot ako as proof na talagang na-transfer. So, let's check po yung ticket na ginawa ko. So, ang title po niya is, "The money I sent did not transfer to the nominated bank account." So, sinabi ko I transferred 7,565 via Maya wallet around 7:51 a.m. The transaction was successful. The amount was deducted to my GCash, but the money has not been received yet or has not been reflected yet. So, ito yung sagot ni GCash. Hi, you may have experienced issues with your bank transfer transaction on March 30. So, meaning, since March 30 pa pala sila, uh, March 30 pa pala, nagkakaroon ng parang error. And then, nag-visit din ako sa kanilang account, sa GCash profile, sa Facebook. Nakita ko na marami ding mga nagreklamo. So, ayan, nakiusap ako na please fix immediately kasi may mga loaning dues ako na kailangang mabayaran ko today, and sinabi, ang sagot sa akin and reply ng customer service sa ticket na ginawa ko is within 48 days. So, probably it's 2 days, business days. Start tomorrow, it's Thursday, holiday na lahat. So, ang mangyayari niyan, next week na yan kasi hindi naman including sa business days, si holidays and Saturday and Sunday. So, paano naman ako na merong bayarin na magpe-penalty? Yung babayaran ko yung 7,000 na yan is kahit 1 day lang is may penalty ng 1,500. So, that's the reason why I choose Maya over GCash now kasi minimal lang and konti lang talaga ang mga system error ni Maya. So, that's it. So, I just, you know, sharing my experience, and if my experience nyo yan, alam nyo na kung paano mag ano ng ticket, and at the same time kung anong mag-send ng ticket at kung paano mag-follow up kay customer service ni GCash. Actually, na-experience ko na yan, same situation 5 years ago. Mas malaki yon kasi parang 15,000 yon. Pero nabalik din naman siya sa akin. Yun nga lang, hindi mo kayang bayaran yung stress, pag-aalala at pangamba na baka hindi bumalik, araw-araw mong iniisip. Bumalik siya sa akin at least 3 days. Yun nga lang, syempre may mga dues tayo, may mga binabayaran tayo na hinahabol ng ano, so dapat kino-cover nila yan kasi sila naman yung may pagkakamali. So yun lang guys, that's it. Sana may natutunan kayo, and please subscribe sa